Hello RV people, how's everybody doing? Alright, today this video we are going to replace the skylight. Basically, as you can see, it has a lot of crack. I've been tapping it for the past year, but now it's about time. Basically they crack on the corner, they crack here, so this, the sun damage gets them. So this is a 2020 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite. So I ordered the part directly from Thor. I'll put under the description the phone number that you call for. If your RV is Thor, you call Thor directly. And the good thing is, now Thor, they can directly ship any part for your RV to your home. Before it used to be you have to, they will give you the part number and then you have to go to your authorized Thor dealer nearby, and then they have to order for you and then they ship it to them and then you have to go pick it up. But now it's much easier. You just order directly from the retail line and then they send you the right part. You just give them the VIN number and they can't make a mistake. But if you try to source this out, on Google or on Amazon, it's confusing. You don't want to end up getting the wrong size. So the best way is to just directly get the correct. This is the part number, by the way, for this RV. I mean, your RV might be different, but you just have to call your dealer and just give them your VIN number, and then you can order that. So we're gonna show you today how to replace this. Very simple. The first step is basically removing this caulk. So we're gonna be using this to scrape the caulk, as you can see. Yeah, just like that, without damaging the roof. You just go all around and remove the caulk. That's the first step, and then we're gonna one by one unhook the bolts. All right, let's get to work. All right, so now, as you can see, we have removed the caulk. So now we're gonna one by one remove the bolts and save them here. That's the next step. Let's do that. All right, so one thing to note is you need to have this kind of putty knife instead of these plastic ones. Really helps if you get this. Also, you definitely need a heat gun, unless you're doing this in the middle of summer. Otherwise, this is really hard to penetrate through, to get the glue to be removed from the bottom. So when I use heat gun, it makes it so easy. It loosens it so much. Then it's easy to put this putty knife and then pull it, detach it from the inside. So yeah, you just have to go all around like that, heat it up, and then you can easily, remove this is very sticky. It's held with a very strong tape on the bottom. So that's why, this. So yeah, but if you heat it, then it will be easy to move. So that's additional 2 things you need for this job. All right, let's go. All right, as you can see, it's lifting up right now. So what the manufacturer put was they put putty tape. They put putty tape in the bottom before they put the skylight. I also got this SR140. Yeah, it's for the butyl sealant. It's basically a butyl sealant for skylights. So definitely you need this together with this one. This for the top, this lap sealant for the top. But before you put the skylight, it's good to put this sealant first, and then after that this goes on top to cover all the holes. So definitely before you start this project, make sure you have either the butyl tape or this sealant, the SR140 or SB140. SB140 also will work. It's good to have this before you start this job for sure. All right, let's remove it completely now. It's moving. All right, now it's removed. So next step is cleaning this putty tape very well. We're gonna use this acetone or mineral spirits, and then we have to clean this very well before we put the new I'm gonna put both, I guess. I'm gonna put the SR140, also the butyl tape, and then we can install it. And if your RV position, as you can see, this part, this part where the rear part is, where it goes all the way to the other side of the ladder, this part needs to be lifted up first when you put the new one. Definitely, yeah. So it depends on your position where skylight is, but this needs to be lifted up. I removed also 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is one more last one bolt there, and then kind of need to be lifted up so I can slide. And also don't be careful not to damage this inner skylight, because I was using I don't know if you can see here, I scratched it a little bit. I'm gonna put some silicone sealant here, but be careful if you insert the putty tape too far in, you're gonna damage the inside. So just be careful. All right, now let's get to clean this. All right, and now we put the SR140 all around here, all around that side, and above this, below this, we put that. Now it's ready to put the skylight on top of it. All right, let's do that. All right, so another issue we encountered is after we put the new skyline, yeah, the holes don't match. The new holes don't match the old holes. So basically, be prepared to have your drill with you, and then we need to drill holes to the new spots, so all around. That's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, now we are drilling new holes and adding the screws. So one thing to note is don't over tighten the screws. Be careful, just light tight, otherwise you end up damaging the skylight. So yeah, just go all around and just light, just when you feel resistant, stop. So let's continue to do all that now. All right, so now we just finished adding all the bolts, made a new hole. But now, since we did that, we have to really work hard on covering all the holes and caulking everything, like super caulking. Yeah, so that make sure that rain doesn't come. Sorry, my son making too much noise. Yeah, so that's basically what you do it. You have this. You can put this now from top. You can put this lap sealant or the SR140, and then we can just definitely caulk everything. Make sure everything's caulked. The bolts, the screws, everywhere. All right, so this is how you do it, and I'll link under the description all the parts that I mentioned, the Amazon link, and you guys can be prepared before you start this job, because you don't want to get stranded and you don't have the right parts. So let's basically remember what we need. You definitely might need drill. You need lap sealant. You need the SR140. You need a heat gun, definitely a heat gun, a good heat gun, and then acetone or mineral spirits to clean, and these things definitely. But you need the aluminum or the metal one. So yeah, that's all you need, and you can get this job done. All right, hope this helps. Take care, guys.